how to fix live streaming isn't available right now with Twitter. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can fix live streaming isn't available right now with Twitter. If you are encountering an issue where live streaming isn't available on Twitter, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First of all, ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. You can also try switching your internet connection to the data cellular, or you can turn on and off the airplane mode. Also, make sure you have the latest version of Twitter application installed on your device. If you are using a web browser, then make sure you are using a supportive web browser for live streaming on Twitter. Next, try clearing your cache and cookies. Can resolve various issues with functionality, including live streaming. Occasionally, Twitter experiences outcases, technical issues that can affect live streaming functionality. Check Twitter's status page or other online sources for any reported outages. Also, ensure that your Twitter account is eligible for live streaming. Twitter may have specific requirements or restrictions for accessing live streaming features, such as account age, verification status, or region restrictions. If none of these steps resolve your issue, you may need to contact Twitter support for further assistance. You can also reach out to them through the Twitter Help Center or by sending a direct message to @Twitter support. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue with live streaming on Twitter. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.